Hi everyone. So today I'll be showing you something interesting, and this video might appeal especially to people who are familiar with model-based design on MATLAB and Simulink. What I've done in this project that I'm about to show you is read a LDR sensor and display its data on ThingSpeak, which is an IoT platform developed by MathWorks themselves. Normally, for a project like this, first you need to write C code to a microcontroller to be able to read the LDR sensor. And then to display that data on a server, you need to write HTML, CSS, JavaScript to build a web page. Basically, you have to write a fair amount of code to make this simple project function. Now, here's the interesting thing and the purpose of this video. I have not written a single line of code to build this project. And you can do the same. No C code, no HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Instead, I have used Waijung 2, which is a Simulink add-on block set that will deploy any MATLAB Simulink model to ESP32 microcontrollers at the click of a single button. Through this block set, I am also directly able to connect to the ThingSpeak server through Wi-Fi to display my LDR sensors data. Let me show you an overview of how this works. So here's the Simulink model. Firstly, I am setting up the Wi-Fi through which the ESP32 will communicate with the ThingSpeak server. And I'm using the ADC, or the analog to digital converter block, to which the signals coming in from the LDR sensor, those will be analog signals, and those need to be converted to digital for the ESP32. And all those values, then I'm converting it to voltage using this formula over here. Now, all that data, I need to detect it now. I need to feed it into the ThingSpeak server, which is why we have an HTTP block here through which we are setting up the ThingSpeak server. And the ThingSpeak server has a specific URL to which all that data can be shown on the channel. And we are feeding that URL into this block, which then helps us send all that data directly. And just like that, your model is complete. And once you're done, you can just click on build. And this entire model will be converted to C code, which will be deployed to the ESP32 microcontroller at the click of a button. This is the power of Waijung. Now, I've already set up my ThingSpeak channel and added some dashboard elements like gauge, numeric display, graph to visualize the data coming in from the ESP32. And I'm also showing the side-by-side view of the LDR sensor connected to the ESP32. Now, right now, the voltage drop across the LDR sensor is about 1.7 volts. When I shine a torchlight on the LDR sensor, the resistance of the LDR sensor will reduce significantly, and that's why we should be expecting a significant drop in the voltage levels as well. And when I will put my finger over the LDR sensor to make the surrounding of the sensor dark, then we should be seeing a significant rise in the LDR sensors, in the voltage drop of the LDR, since its resistance at that point will be very high. So let's try that. Here, as you can see, I'm shining the torchlight. Give it a few seconds because there's a buffer since we're using the free version. There you go. The voltage has reduced. Now I've removed the torchlight, so we should expect the voltage drop to go back to the normal value around 1.7. There you go. Now I'm covering and making the surrounding of the LDR sensor dark. So we should be expecting the voltage value to go significantly increase. There you go, 2.4. And I'm removing it, my finger, so we should expect it to come down to its original value, which was around 1.7 volts. So there's a little bit of a buffer because we're using the free version of ThingSpeak. And if you want more real-time data every second, then you'd have to upgrade to the license or the commercial version of ThingSpeak. But basically, to demonstrate the concept, here we're working with real hardware, real on-chip peripheral devices like LDRs, and we're not writing even a single line of C or HTML or any kind of code to work with microcontrollers and also with web pages. So if you find projects like these interesting, I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Or if you want more insights on how a project like this can be done, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.